Hey guys, welcome to another ChevSpeaks video. In today's video we have a special surprise from Amazon, aka Santa Claus, but they come year round. That was really bad, I'm sorry. But yes, anyways, today we actually have something special. And I haven't taken it out and I won't reveal it yet, but let's unpack it and see what it is. Alright, and here it is. The new, or at least new to me, Blackvue DR750, and I got the 2-channel version. So yes, I'll be installing a dash cam in this car. Well, I won't be, because I do not trust myself with these electronics in these cars, and I'm not too knowledgeable. But it comes in a normal Amazon box, and then in addition to that, it comes in this little wrapper, I guess. But you get the actual cameras right here, Blackvue logo on them, nice material. You get, this is the card, like the warranty. You also get a little sticker that you can put on your car that says this is a Blackvue protected car, something like that. And then you get the Power Magic Pro, which I hear is needed for parking mode, and that's what this is really the main thing why I want it, so for parking mode. And yeah, so looks kind of, it looks like it's been opened before, but it's whatever. And on the inside you get, so the actual Power Magic Pro, plus some wiring. I'm not super knowledgeable on electronics, but here's the packaging. And then there's the actual Blackvue cameras. Right here, there's one that goes up front and one that goes in the rear. Okay. Has wrapper right here. Again, Blackvue. Very nice. It's like the boxing that's used for like new iPhones. But yes, anyways, here are the 2 cameras. This is the large. Oh gosh. This is the lens cap for the smaller camera. So, holding them again. The smaller one, which is the one that my right hand is on, this one. This is the reverse camera. This is the camera that will go in the back. And then the larger one is the camera that will go in the front. This is 1080p, 60 frames per second. And I hear it's very, very good at night especially. It's really good for detecting license plates and stuff like that. So, we take this out. We can do that. And then there's just the quick start guide, instruction manual, stuff like that. And then here's another accessory box. There's a box that's simply labeled accessory. We'll look what's inside the box. And it's just, you know, power outlet and some wiring. And then more wiring disappears, some more wiring. And then here's the included SD card. I believe I got the 16GB option. I won't be needing much more than that. That's really enough for me. So that's all for that video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you're having an excellent day, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you guys later.